What's up, everybody? Welcome to AY19X. So today I'm going to an unboxing video which my friend bought for me. And yeah, so let's go on to it. So today I have this Ubersuave butterfly comb. You see Ubersuave, you can see the logo, you can see all natural confidence and Ubersuave. Yeah, so this is the butterfly comb. Yeah, this is the box. The box is quite nice. Yeah, you see. So let me take out the plastic. Now a lot of people play, and I don't know why is it so fun. So my friend just bought for me. Yeah, and I play. Here you go. I know how to play because I play before. Yeah, so this is a trick that I could do. I'm a noob. So this is how. You see? Okay. So I'm going to do the. I don't know what's the trick name. I don't know what's this trick name. I don't know if there's a. Like this. Then like this. Then like this. Then after that, if I want to close back, I do like this. This. And then this. Then open. So basically I'm doing like this. Come on. I don't know how do people do this thumb roll, revolver roll, what shitty. So I forgot to show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the brand Ubersuave. Actually, this one is also related to wax brand. Let me read you the Ubersuave jeans. Ubersuave Incorporated mission is all about helping discerning individuals like you discover your all natural confidence. Easily through use of our products, Ubersuave believe confidence in appearance. By appearance and beyond appearance is in your jeans. Don't doubt it. So yeah. But one thing, this thing, my friend bought me the no rust, which I don't know is that true or not. Wait, there's something. What in the world is this? Oh, I think it's the lubricant. Anyhow said. So yeah, that is all for this video. It's a short video. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe.